What you are about to watch are the lost files of the Mission Flyer Epic Shoe Collection. The images you are about to see are real. Welcome to the Mission Flyer Shoe Collection Part 2. Push the subscribe button. Smash it, then sit back and enjoy Vlogmas.
For this part 2 of the shoe review, me and my special guest, RJ, King Rage on the track. So one of the things that I've done to combat him wearing my shoes is, look, we bought me and him the same pair of shoes, so he already have the shoes, so no need to wear, right?
Yeah.
Start with my Jordan 1s. I'm not a fan of Jordan 1s at all. No. The Jordan 1s, to me, are the most uncomfortable sneaker. They're just so flat, almost like wearing Chuck Taylors all day. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with this Jordan 1 right here. Special edition, limited. These are the Dave White Wings of the Future edition. Got the splash design, black sole, got a little suede. Like I said, to me, it's a clean shoe when I bought it. Got the wings of the future on the shoelace. So more than likely, I'm probably gonna sell this one. People want these ones, so I don't really like them that much. They're flat. And they hurt my feet. What do you think?
I think since some of these, you should really give these to me. But they look very nice. They're rare, right?
I don't know if they're rare.
Anyways, a very nice, clean shoe. Not really special in this one here. So.
Alright, my next Jordan 1s. Jamaican music.
Just give me the light and pass the joy. Make you feel like you're in control.
These are my other ones. I only bought these because they have the Jamaican flag colors. The black, the green, the gold, the white. But these are called the Formidable Foes 1996 edition. Woo, clean. What do you think with the yellow laces?
I think they're clean. You should let me wear these. She give me like a Jamaican. I'm sure like whenever I get money, I'm gonna get like a Jamaican flag shirt, and I can wear these. And they're gonna look nice.
Fresh to death. These are my summer shoe. These are the Hyperfuse.
Air Max 90 Hyper Frame NRG
Premium. I like these. Fresh, crisp, and it's see-through mesh, very colorful. Yeah, Hyperfuse, Nike Air Max Hyperfuse. Pretty clean, nice summer Florida shoe.
And you said nice colorful shoe, or just like a casual probably like a nice, like colorful, like Nike shirt with black jeans, and you'll look good with these. Not really a big fan of the color scheme and how they're laid out, but nonetheless, they're a good shoe.
And another thing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future uploads, and go back and check out my previous videos. The second biggest 11 Jordan were the Concords. So I had this painted for my shoe room at the time because I had another bedroom to shoe. So I always got the shoe. I think painted this was West Philly Mech. Should do some shoe painting. She did this one for me. And she did the bark. The Yeezys on. She did the bark. Yeezys on. But I got my Concords in here, but he has his Concords. He wears his, but this is one of the cleanest Jordan 11s out there. Concord always looks so the fisheye, icy bottoms, like you could just wear a tuxedo.
Oh, you have those?
Yes, I have these.
Can I wear these, please? Please, please. Please wear these.
What are these?
These are.
Tell the people what they are.
These are the Nike One Air Foam Composite, aka the Weatherman. And I only know this because of 2K, so. But really nice shoe. I love the radar and stuff. Like, what does the C thing you mean?
That's Penny Hardaway. That's his logo.
Penny Hardaway logo. Overall clean shoe. Can I please have these? Like, please, please.
You can't have them, but I'll let you wear them if you don't scuff them up.
I won't.
Then the next one, these are pretty clean as well. From Philly, you know, Charles Barkley played for the Sixers for a little bit before he went over to the Jazz. But these are some Barkleys. Not a game.
First impression are these look like some sports and NASA movies.
Next are these. I think these are one of the cleanest Air Force One Air Max combo. Camo, 30 years. Oop. Clean. Got the soles on them. Got the Air Max, got the leather tag. Almost like a waxy type shoelace. Clean shoe. One of my faves. The next one, Kobe.
Is that the USA team?
Yeah, that's the Kobe USA basketball team. They got the logo. Flash. I was never a big fan of the Kobe's shoe. To me, they weren't that comfortable. But these were the Olympic USA shoes. The signature.
Actually, I had a pair of Kobe's before. I stepped in some dog food and I ruined it. Very sad. Very sad, but Kobe's, they're okay. I had like a pair of like green and black ones a while ago, but these are some nice shoes. You just gotta be very selective with your colors when you wear these.
Next, the Flight Posit. Super clean. The glove. I think Gary Payton had a pair. I don't know, but oh man, these are dope. This is the second pair. I have the copper ones somewhere. I don't know where they are, but I got the copper ones as well. These are my Area 51 running boots, running shoes.
Are you gonna wear those whenever you storm Area 51?
Yeah.
Not a fan of them. I don't know what this zipper part is for.
It zips it up so it feels like a glove. You got a glove on.
Alright, your feet gonna be stinking.
Nah.
I'm about something gonna feel like a glove, but they're okay. I like the color scheme, but I just don't like the great idea, just poor execution is all I have to say.
These are the LeBron 9 Mangoes.
Did you get them because they were mango?
Yeah, I got them because of the color. Who doesn't like that color? Pretty dope. LeBron.
What I will say is, Dad can back me up on this one, but I used to be the biggest LeBron shoe head a while ago. You remember that?
shoe up. One of my most faves. LeBron 9 South Beaches. Ooh, these shoes are clean. I wear these a lot. Come with two different kind of laces. The pink one or the one like this. Got the carbon fiber on it. Carbon fiber here in the bottom. It's starting to yellow a little. But that's what happened with the icy soles. But one of my favorite, LeBron South Beach. Next up is my LeBron 7s. This was the first pair of LeBrons I have. Check out the box. The box have all his highlights in there from high school, where streets he grew up on. These are clean. These are clean LeBrons. If you look right here, you'll see the lion face. Got that silk on the inside, icy sole. LeBron 7s. Really like these. Almost remind me a little bit of the Concord up front.
Pretty nice. I'm trying to think, like, these would go good with like one of those hats that you have. Like, I think it's LA.
Yeah.
Yeah, that LA hat. Like, these can go with pretty much anything, depending on like what color it is, because some colors won't kind of fit, but overall nice shoe.
For the
London's.
Air Max Londons. London on the track. Meet me at the London. So it comes with a postcard.
From London.
It ain't from London. Comes with some different shoelaces. Another Florida shoe. Pretty clean. This is Air Max 97s. Look at that. Woo. Good chat. Good chat, mate.
That's Australian, I think.
They say mate.
No, that's Australian.
No, they say mate in.
Do they? Do they?
Yeah.
I actually begged him to wear these when they first came in, but he said no. So.
Hyper adapts.
Dang, that's a big box.
I know. That's because it has the.
Color scheme reminded me of the Jacksonville Jaguars.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they're. Let's see here.
That digital camo.
I think they're dead. But these, they light up and you charge them.
I don't say dead.
And they're part of the Hyperlaces. So here's the charger for them. You put them on there and you charge them up. You put your foot in there and they automatically lace up to your foot.
That's crazy.
Yep, these are the furrows. Yeah, these are the hyper adapts.
I guess they might be dead. I mean, you haven't worn them in years, so.
What do you think? I said these light up blue and stuff like that.
I think they're pretty nice. I like how they auto lace up to your shoe.
To your foot.
To your foot.
Last but not least, for this video set, we're gonna do some more videos because I didn't want to make them too long. The first one was like 20 minutes, so hopefully I get it cut down a little bit with these, but I'm gonna end it off with a bang. When I first came to the States, these were out and very popular, and I wanted a pair. My mom was like, "Oh, you out of your mind?" The Air Raid with the cross colors. Look at that. These shoes are clean, and these are one of my favorite Nikes that I wear. What do you think about that?
They're like boots a little bit.
They're not boots, they're sneakers. They're for playing basketball outside on the blacktop. That's when you play basketball outside.
On a blacktop.
Yep. Whatever. So that has brought us to the end of this video. check out part 1, and we're gonna be working on part 3 soon. What you gotta tell them?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure whenever you subscribe, click that little bell to get every notification whenever we post, so you won't miss out on part 3.
Definitely. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy